But now, you also must complete the doing of it, that as there was a readiness to desire it, so there also may be a completion out of what you have. For if there is first a willing mind, it is accepted according to what one has, and not according to what he does not have. Okay. And then you got to remember that my word will not come back void. So I send my word out and it accomplishes everything according to God's will. And I was texting with Peter. And by the way, Sarah emailed Peter back. Mary emailed Jesus. And we're both walking this out together because we've walked together for a long, long time. Thank you. You guys are going to ruin my summer vacation plans for us, and I'm not going to allow that. And we both went through the email thing, and I was telling Peter, I'm replacing all of the teachings of Paul that were not inspired by the Holy Spirit, and I'm replacing them with Peter's teachings. Peter bears a lot more fruit. He always bared a lot more fruit. And he was the only one given the same honor that I was given. So that's going to be a huge step you're going to see. That'll be 1st and 2nd Peter. Gospels will be the centerpiece of it. Hebrews. The New Testament is very, very important, and that's why it still exists. And then I was noticing some things that were happening in that land, and I'm not worried about that at all because I already had my coronation. And I had the altar, skin from a heifer. I had all of it set up perfectly, pomegranate and all. So I was led by the Holy Spirit to fulfill that prophecy, like many. So that's what we're doing. You guys need to be taking those steps. Did you pray for your spouse? Okay, expect them. Yes, he's in love with you. He told me yesterday. All right. You guys don't know how I've been doing this, but I've been placing the name of, placing your name for the spouses that went away from my will. I've been placing your name everywhere that person goes and where they're supposed to be. So you'll see. I'm working on this. I was telling Peter they had to touch the earth again for a little bit. But the Holy Spirit's work is done in them. All right, so rejoice. Well, I had said, and I quote, on this rock I will build my church, and that was apparently completely disregarded. So we're going to get back to what I said. And it's going to be amazing because you have to picture all of these soldiers in heaven's army with one purpose, just to love people where they're at, exactly like they are. With the Holy Spirit in them. Completely submitted to God. And then an army with the Holy Spirit in it. That God blessed, favors. And the power of God. It's going to be exciting. I love you.